night in the dark, so I couldn't film that. Just heading home now. Gonna do the antifreeze and a couple other things in the morning. But it's pretty much good to go. New 13D PP installed by me, built by one of my bros. Really just did that because I didn't have a core to sell. The bro just happened to have one there. But FC gearbox, B1600 diff. Comes along quite nice. We've got the golden hour. They maybe do have a better exhaust or something, but over and all for now, good street cruiser. Next time you see us, we'll probably be over in Australia. We'll show them the